Welcome to Car Route 360, where we bring you detailed reviews of the most exciting SUVs and adventure machines hitting the road. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2026 BAIC BJ60, a premium rugged SUV that combines serious off-road capability with modern comfort, advanced technology, and bold design. If you're looking for a vehicle that can handle remote trails, family trips, and everyday driving without compromise, this is one you'll want to know about. The 2026 BAIC BJ60 starts with a commanding exterior that clearly signals rugged intent and premium presence. From the front, the aggressive grille with bold horizontal bars and high-strength LED headlights give the BJ60 a tough, purposeful look. The high bonnet line and squared-off fascia make it clear this SUV isn't afraid of challenging terrain. Large skid plates, reinforced bumpers, and protective elements highlight its capability, while the modern lighting design keeps it looking current and stylish. From the side, the BJ60's proportions are both athletic and purposeful. The tall roofline, pronounced wheel arches, and high ground clearance give it the look of a serious off-road machine, while the robust alloy wheels and all-terrain tires add both style and capability. Protective side cladding, rugged side steps, and solid door sills reinforce the SUV's adventure-ready theme. The large windows and upright stance also ensure excellent outward visibility, a practical feature when navigating difficult trails or tight urban streets. At the rear, the 2026 BAIC BJ60 continues the rugged theme with full-width LED taillights and a tough, functional bumper. The tailgate is wide and easy to access, making loading and unloading gear simple, even in outdoor environments. Integrated tow points and additional protective cladding show that BAIC engineered this SUV for use, not just display. Step inside, and the interior of the 2026 BAIC BJ60 brings premium comfort to rugged capability. The cabin feels spacious and upscale, with high-quality materials used throughout, from soft-touch surfaces to contrast stitching on the seats and dashboard. The driver's cockpit is thoughtfully designed with a modern digital instrument cluster that provides clear driving information, navigation data, and off-road metrics like pitch, roll, and terrain angle. The central infotainment screen is large, responsive, and intuitive. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and advanced vehicle settings, making it easy to stay connected on long journeys or remote trails. Multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a premium sound system add convenience and luxury for occupants, while dual-zone climate control keeps the cabin comfortable regardless of outside conditions. Seating in the BJ60 is comfortable and supportive. The front seats offer excellent bolstering for long drives and off-road use, while rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom. Large panoramic windows make the cabin feel open and airy, and optional leather upholstery with heated and ventilated seat functions enhances comfort for all occupants. The cargo area is equally practical, with ample space for luggage, outdoor gear, and expedition equipment. Rear seats fold easily to expand storage capacity when needed. Under the hood, the 2026 BAIC BJ60 offers powertrain options tuned for a balance of capability and efficiency. A turbocharged gasoline engine delivers strong horsepower and torque, giving the SUV confident acceleration both on and off the road. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission, the BJ60 provides smooth performance in city driving and capable response in challenging environments. Select trims also offer advanced all-wheel drive systems with multiple terrain modes, allowing the vehicle to adapt traction and power delivery to mud, snow, sand, and rocks. The suspension system is engineered for both rough terrain and on-road comfort. With long travel shocks, reinforced springs, and tuned damping, the BJ60 handles bumps and uneven surfaces with confidence while maintaining a composed ride on highways and paved roads. Steering is precise and communicative, giving the driver confidence whether navigating tight trails or busy city streets. Safety is a major highlight of the 2026 BAIC BJ60. The SUV comes equipped with an advanced driver assistance suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. These features work together to enhance driver awareness and reduce stress during long journeys or complex driving conditions. Practicality is also evident in every design choice. Whether it's the wide tailgate opening, ample storage compartments, or quick fold rear seats, the BJ60 is built to make life easier for families, adventurers, and daily drivers alike. In every way, the 2026 BAIC BJ60 delivers a compelling blend of rugged capability, premium comfort, advanced technology, and everyday usability. It's designed for drivers who want an SUV that's ready for remote trails but still refined enough for urban life, a vehicle that truly does it all. Thanks for watching Car Route 360. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 BAIC BJ60, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future SUV reviews and in-depth automotive coverage.